If you're looking for a rugged and long-lasting flow meter, then check out AW Lake's Axial Turbine flow meter line. These high-performance and cost-effective turbine meters can be used for measuring a wide variety of fluids in addition to water, from molten metal to dairy and even antifreeze, depending on the model chosen. AW Lake turbine meters are equipped with a rotor blade flanked by 2 conditioners to reduce turbulence in the fluid. The spin rate of the rotor blade is directly proportional to the flow rate of the liquid and is picked up by a Hall effect sensor, which calculates the flow rate based on the number of pulses it receives and the meter's corresponding K-factor. Turbine meters are simple to use, offer great accuracy at reasonable prices, and come in multiple models to suit your specific needs. And since you're working with AW Lake, you can be assured you'll get the exact product you need on time and ready to be installed into your system. Visit awlake.com to see our entire turbine flow meter line, or contact one of our expert customer service representatives today.